Welcome to Dazzle Carpentry YouTube channel. 6 types of window treatments and covering options. But before we get to that, please do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Also, there is a bonus for you at the end of the video. Please stay with us to get this bonus. A window treatment is a cover or modification of the window, often with the aim to enhance the aesthetics of the window and the room. Treating windows is thought of as packaging them as a design element rather than simply covering them as function. Coverings are used to protect privacy, insulate heat and cold, and filter light. And while many people consider window treatments more aesthetic, they too can be functional. Number 1. Curtain. A curtain is a piece of cloth or other material intended to block or obscure light, air drafts, or water. A curtain is also the movable screen or drape in a theater that separates the stage from the auditorium or that serves as a backdrop or background. Number 2. Shutters. A window shutter is a durable, energy-efficient but often expensive window treatment option. These window coverings are similar to blinds in that their slats can usually be adjusted to allow more or less natural light into a room. Number 3. Drapes. Like curtains, drapes are fabric panels and are typically sold in pairs. The difference between curtains and drapes, however, is that drapes are lined, sometimes with fabric heavy enough to block out all outside light, making them perfect for bedroom use. Drapes are long enough to reach from the top of the window to the bottom, sometimes even puddling a bit beneath the window. Venetian blinds. Venetian blinds are basic horizontal slats made of metal, vinyl, PVC or plastic. Wood slats are sometimes used, but in the US these are now usually referred to as wood blinds. Venetian blinds are suspended by strips of cloth called fabric tapes or by cords by which all slats in unison can be rotated through nearly 180 degrees. Louvered blinds. Louvered blinds are simply blinds with slats. These slats are most commonly horizontal but can also be vertical, and they come in huge variety of different materials and styles. That means that all vertical and Venetian blinds are in fact louvered blinds. Valance. Valance is a form of window treatment covering the uppermost part of the window and can be hung alone or paired with window blinds or curtains. Valances are also a great way to conceal drapey hardware or conceal a too large space between the top of the window and the crown molding. Thank you, Dazzle Clan, for staying with us this long, but before you go, we have a bonus mapped out for you. Panel track blinds. Panel curtains, or more commonly known as panel glide blinds, are a versatile solution for sliding glass doors or extra wide and extra long windows. A modern take on vertical blinds, these panel tracks are incredibly easy to open and shut, gliding effortlessly, and you won't have to worry about any gaps. Thank you for staying with us to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and also share this video. You can leave a comment in the comment section and also suggest a topic you would like us to treat with you. To support what we do, kindly follow our social media handles on Facebook at Dazzle Carpentry Training and Dazzle Furniture Limited, on Instagram at Dazzle Carpentry and Dazzle Furniture, on Twitter at Dazzle Carpentry and Dazzle Furniture, on YouTube, Dazzle Carpentry Training.